Welcome back. Today we're learning the fifth Arabic letter. If you haven't watched the previous letters, be sure to check them out first. I highly recommend going back and watching them first. This series follows the order of the Arabic alphabet, and each letter builds on what we've learned before. Today we're moving on to the next letter, Jeem. We'll look at how it sounds, how to pronounce it correctly, and go over a few easy examples to help you remember it. Let's get started.
جمل جمل
Camel,
جمل جمل جزر جزر
carrot,
جزر جزر جبل جبل
mountain,
جبل جبل جسر جسر
bridge,
جسر جسر جبن جبن
cheese.
جبن جبن
Now, pause the video for a moment. Say the words out loud. Try repeating them a few times to get comfortable with the pronunciation.
جمل جمل جزر جزر جبل جبل جسر جسر جبن جبن
As you can see, all of these words start with the letter Jeem. Look closely at the first letter in each word. It's the same. Step by step, you're getting closer to reading Arabic confidently. Keep going. You're learning fast. Just stay consistent and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, so you'll know whenever a new video is uploaded. See you in the next video.